In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix internet or ping problems in the Farming Simulator 25. Okay, for the first step, we go into the search bar. Here we look for the control panel. So click on this, and then we can click on network status and tasks. And here we have our connection. I'm connected with Ethernet right now, but you can also be connected with Wi-Fi or something else. So click on change adapter settings, and then we get in this menu. And here we can right click on our connection. And now we do the following steps only with our connection. Disable it, wait like 2 minutes, and after that you can enable it again. This is to restart your whole Wi-Fi. And you also do this with your Wi-Fi router to restart also there your whole Wi-Fi. And after that we can click on diagnose, and here we have many tips and tricks from Windows we can follow. After that, right click on it again, properties, and then we have Internet Protocol version 4, properties again, and then we have use the following DNS server addresses, and then we have the preferred DNS server. This is 8888, and the alternative DNS server is 8844. So then click on OK, close this, and after that you have to restart your PC that the settings will be saved. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, it would help me a lot. If not, write down in the comments, we will find the solution, and then see you next time.